Welcome into StoveTop-Garage. Tonight we're making yard lights so the kids know that you have candy. And all you're going to need is a drill with a hole saw, a couple of pumpkins, and a couple of lamps. Solar powered lamps. Let's start by removing these handles. Just like that. That was easy. Just like that, we have a hole. And we're done with that guy. Take that guy off. Take that guy off. Hold your reflector in place. Stick that bad boy through the bottom. Put that back on. There we go. We're going to light that up outside tonight. Find out how well it works.